This is an unboxing video for the HDMI cables. It's compatible with 3D. It's high speed with Ethernet for true 1080p high definition gaming. 3D compatible 10 feet long length cord. HDMI cable. Most consoles and a DVP. These are cables. It's pretty lengthy. Yeah. And then, got a lot of these thingies, plastic things. So there's the HDMI thingies, and yeah, HDMI. It's a HDMI cable. It's for high capacity definition gaming, 10 feet length, compatible with 3D TVs, high speed Ethernet channel. You can get this at GameStop for $20. And thanks for watching.